सप्तमः पाठः संकल्पः सिद्धिदायकः. Lord Shiva came in the form of pupil and started to ask question to Parvati, and he tried to test the dedication of Parvati in her penance. वटुः हे तपस्विनी किं क्रियार्थं पूजोपकरणं वर्तते? स्नानार्थं जलं सुलभं, भोजनार्थं फलं वर्तते. त्वं तु जानासि एव शरीरमाध्यं खलु धर्मसाधनं. वटुः हे तपस्विनी किं क्रियार्थं पूजोपकरणं वर्तते? स्नानार्थं जलं सुलभं, भोजनार्थं फलं वर्तते. त्वं तु जानासि एव शरीरमाध्यं खलु धर्म साधनम. That pupil is questioning that, hey tapaswini, O Parvati, kim kriyartam pujopakaranam vartate? Do you have all puja materials here to do your puja conveniently? As you are in the mountain, is this easily available here? Snanartham jalam sulabham. Is water is easily available to take bath? Bhojanartham phalam vartate. Is fruits available easily here? That means he refers that all these things won't be available easily here. So why are you doing penance over here? Tvam tu janasi eva sharira madhyam kalu dharma sadhanam. You already know that maintaining the body is very important to perform our duties. So, to do our duties, we need to maintain our fitness, physical fitness. That is very important. So, indirectly, that pupil warns Parvati that it is not right to do severe penance and trouble your body like this without proper food, without water, everything. Therefore, it is better for you to go back to your house. Pupil, O Parvati, do you have puja materials here? Is water easily available to take bath? Is fruits available for food? You know that body is very important to perform our duties. Like this, to test whether Parvati is dedicated and strongly believes in her penance, Lord Shiva asks several questions. Vatuhu, pupil, kriyartham, for work, pujopakaranam, puja materials, snanartham, to take bath, jalam, water, sulabham, easy, bhojanartham, for food, janasi, no, sharira madhyam, body is first, khalu, indeed, dharma sadhanam, to perform duties. Parvati tushnim tishtati. Vatuhu, he tapaswini, किमर्थं तपः तपसि शिवाय? पार्वती तूष्णीं तिष्ठति. वटुः हे तपस्विनी किमर्थं तपः तपसि शिवाय? So Vatuhu, when Parvati keeps quiet, Parvati tūshnim tishtati, she doesn't respond anything to the words of Vatu or pupil. That time he is again questioning. O Parvati, why are you doing penance here? Shivaya, for Shiva. In the sarcastic form he is questioning that to get that Lord Shiva you are doing penance. Parvati keeps quiet. Pupil, O Parvati, why are you doing penance for Shiva? Tushnim tishtati, sits silently. Kimartham, why? Tapaha, penance, tapasi, performing or doing. Parvati, punaha tushnim tishtati, Vijaya, akuli bhuya, am, tasmai eva tapaha tapati. Vaturupadhari shivaha, sahasaiva uchchaihi upahasati. Parvati, punaha tushnim tishtati, Vijaya, akuli bhuya, am, तस्मै एव तपः तपति वटुरूपधारी शिवः सहसैव उच्चैः उपहसति. Parvati punaha tushnim tishtati. Again she keeps quiet. She didn't reply anything to the words of pupil. So that time Vijaya akuli bhuya. Vijaya gets disturbed by the questions of that pupil, and she says, "Am tasmai eva tapaha tapati." Yes, she is doing penance for Lord Shiva only. Vaturupadhari Shivaha sahasaiva uchchaihi upahasati. Hearing that Shiva in the form of pupil start to laugh loudly. That why she needs Shiva as her husband. Parvati again keeps quiet. Vijaya being disturbed. Yes, she does penance for Shiva only. Shiva in the form of pupil laughs loudly. Punaha again. Tushnim tishtati keeps quiet. Akuli bhuya being disturbed. Am yes. Tasmai for him. Tapaha tapati does penance. Sahasaiva immediately. Uchchaihi loudly. Upahasati laughs. So like this Shiva started to test. Let us see what happens finally and what was the decision of Parvati in the tomorrow's class. Thank you, children.